Hey guys, what's up? This is Jeremy, and I am here to look at a remodel that Wheeler LLC did. I'm the marketing man instruction, and so we are standing outside of a house that looks completely different than how it looked before Wheeler started working on it. So on the two sides, on the right there and on the left, those were only one story. Okay, that was a living room with a chimney that had to be knocked out, and this was just a two-car garage. You can see the driveway, right? Here's the driveway where it used to go into a garage, right? So now it's two-story, and it was turned into a music studio with 13 individual rooms. We got this ramp to be compliant, and so check this out, guys. All right, so this had some bathrooms installed for the people renting the studios. Okay, that's the upstairs. We'll get up there in a second, but this is where all new flooring, right? This is where that garage was. And as you can see, it's turned into individual studios for musicians, for recording. They each have their own heat and air system, right? And so here's all these rooms downstairs. There's a couple rooms over here. And then upstairs, new carpet on the stairs. You can smell it. It smells all new. I love that smell. But we got these studios up here, right? So 13 rooms total in the house, and it wraps all the way around here. So basically it went from a house to a 13-room music studio. So how cool is that, right? That's pretty awesome. So that's the kind of work that Wheeler LLC can do. They can do that for you. So if you're looking at a remodel, kitchen, bath, room addition, anything like that, we can do it. All right, so quality work here. This is out in Westerville, and you can actually check out the review for it on Wheeler LLC. You can see his reviews. You can see the review for this by Dan Bino. And like I said, this is the ramp. But yeah, Rick, if you need some work done, some remodeling, room additions, kitchen remodel, bathroom remodel, there's other things, give us a call. Rick. All right, take care, guys. We'll talk to you soon.